Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can invite your friends to be your matchmaker on your Facebook dating. Maybe you want to invite your friends to be one of your matchmaker on Facebook dating but you don't know how. In today's video, I am going to show you on how you can invite your friends to be your matchmaker on Facebook dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then in here, simply tap on this heart icon for you to be directed on the Facebook meeting. And here, tap on this settings and you'll be directed into this page. In here, tap on this general. And as you can see in here, we have the matchmaker. Invite trusted friends to swipe on your behalf. Tap on it. And here, tap on the search bar and search your friends. After that, tap on the save button. And then in here, as you can see, invite sends. Thanks for your interest and Matchmaker. We'll send you a notification when we officially launch the feature. Tap on this got it. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can invite your friends to be your matchmaker on Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can invite your friends to be your matchmaker on Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.